Labeling tiles before installation dramatically increases fitting accuracy by keeping cut pieces organized and matched to their exact placement. Start by mapping the entire layout on paper and assign each tile a unique number linked to its grid position. For each tile that needs cutting, write that number on painter's tape and stick it to the tile edge that will be hidden against the wall or under cabinetry so the mark is out of sight after grouting. Group labeled tiles by layout area on the floor or on a nearby workbench so you can carry whole sections to the adhesive bed without losing sequence. When cutting, mark the cut line and the corresponding tile number on both the tile and the cut piece so reassembly is foolproof if a cut piece shifts. Cross-check labels with your floor plan before each placement so you are always matching number to location rather than guessing by shape alone. If possible, pair up with a helper to read numbers aloud as pieces are set, which halves the chance of misplacement. Common mistakes include placing unlabeled cut tiles into the wrong spot and having to remove and reseat large sections, which damages adhesive. Prevent that by labeling every single cut and sticking to a numbered sequence. Another frequent issue is writing on a visible face of the tile, which leaves marks in the finished floor. Avoid this by putting marks on tape on an edge or on the backside and wiping away any stray ink immediately. Third, installers sometimes lose the match between cut piece and original tile because they only label one part. Always mark both the cut pieces and the original tile, store matched groups together, and periodically cross-check the groupings against your floor plan. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project plans and contractor experience so we can find the right tradesperson faster. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we can ask questions, show layout photos, and get practical advice from others who have labeled and installed tiles.